Email marketing strategy. What kind of strategy we should use for our email marketing? Customer requirement. Understand what is your customer expecting from your business, from your product. Check the sales funnel and trigger a campaign based on that and make the customer a loyal customer. Campaign overview and defined objectives. The first component is the strategy, which is really important for any email marketing campaign. Overview of the campaign, which includes the planning, organizing, and triggering the campaign. Review and define key performance indicator. What was the previous behavior? What was the previous campaign's result? We need to review it. Understand the key performance indicator and trigger your campaign or alter your campaign or strategize your fresh campaign accordingly. Design a high quality professional email. We should visualize, develop, and build what kind of campaign we will start and that they can trigger. This is equally important to understand the audience will be interested on a particular component of each mail that we send. It is equally important to integrate a website and a landing page on the email campaign. This could help in getting good number of traffic for your website, and the purpose of a landing page is always a conversion. Focus on the call to action and links driving to your website. The links could be even your social media links, your website links, or your branch office Google Map location. It is equally important to develop and manage a target contact list. Stay very organized because this will help you what kind of customer you want to target on your email campaign, and all the set of databases that you have will have a purpose. Few people will be an existing customer, few will be new customer, few might have unsubscribed and another few might have bounced. So it's equally important to develop and manage the target contact list. You could integrate campaign into mailchimp platform. So there are a lot of platforms that is available on email campaign. You can pick them one and you can trigger your campaign. Analyze campaign success via MailChimp analytics. So MailChimp is having a very user interface, very user friendly platform where you could create a campaign, create a template, create a list, then trigger your campaign. After that, under reports tab, you'll be able to understand how many people have viewed my advertisement, how many people have clicked, how many bounced, everything can be tracked on the analytics part. Nurture your new subscribers and convert into customer. It is really hard to get one particular email ID that is called as lead. Now we have to make sure we have to nurture them, greet them, and we have to make sure that particular customer, a stranger, becomes a final customer. Maintain communication channels with the customer. So this could be called as a sequence of email. So make sure you engage your audience every week, not frequently, but check what is the second email that I have to prepare for.